You win. Perfect.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Hot Wheels Showcase Islamabad. Dear friends, I am back with my unboxing video. This is our card. This pretty baby is 72 Ford Ranchero from HW Art Cars, 9 of the 10 from the series, and car number 142 out of 250. This pretty baby is ready for the unboxing. A great color scheme with the multiple color tiles. This look amazing. The tinted blue windows, black interior, retro slot wheels, the plastic base with the chrome finishing. Here is the other one. This one is from 2019 and this one is from 2023. So our pretty Rancheros are ready for a cool racing.
You win. Perfect.